Hello everyone! I'm here with a new journal. We're going to do a flip through. This is Ellie from Periwinkle Matilda, and this journal will be listed on my Etsy shop. The journal name is Pretty as a Daisy. It has a sari silk ribbon tie, 112 pages, 3 signatures. I used Mrs. Cog's The Daisy Journal and the Journal Boat Shabby Daisy Kits. This journal measures 6 by 9, and there is a 2-inch spine. Okay, let's open it up. So the cover is a piece of fabric that I printed and then embroidered daisy flowers on, and I added some lace and I did some stitching, and it's a fabric cover. There's lace on the spine. It's a nice fabric. And I put lace on the ends. So I kept this journal fairly simple because each page is actually 2 pages put together. I sewed them. So it's a digital printed page, and then a coffee dyed page that I sewed together. So it's double the thickness. And I didn't want to make it too bulky, so I didn't decorate it too much, but there's plenty of pockets and tags and cards for you to journal on, and you can also decorate more if you'd like. If you don't mind a major gator mouth, you can decorate some. But here's a pocket and a tag. And also I didn't back the tags because I didn't want to make them too thick. They're nice white backs for journaling, because I didn't want to make the journal too thick. I put really pretty ribbon and lace on the inside, in the front and the back. Love this image. And I sewed all around the pages. Really nice coffee dyed paper. And I'll just quickly flip through to show you how pretty the pages are. Here's a pocket with a tag and a journaling card. Some music paper, a dangly piece of jewelry, journal jewelry. I have glue on my hand still. Okay, more pretty paper, another journaling card. Very pretty digital papers. Another journaling card with a pocket. Also, all 3 signatures in the middle have Edith Holden. I love Edith Holden. And I used the June pages so that there were summer flowers in it to go with the daisies. Every day is a fresh start. I apologize if you hear my cat scratching on the door. He just loves to come in my art room, but he climbs onto everything, so I can't have him in here. So I do apologize if you hear him crying and scratching. Just music paper. Another journaling card. Really pretty image. It's fresh as a daisy. Love these paintings. More jewelry. Another journaling card with my love. Another painting. Another pocket. Tag and a card. Little gold-hearted daisy told the sun that she felt lazy, said to the earth was quite too wet, she thought she wouldn't open yet. So cute. I love this painting. I just love daisies. They make me smile, and this journal really makes me smile. I really enjoyed making it. Here's another journaling card. Still have this glue on my hands. Another Edith Holden center spread. I love her art. More nice coffee dyed paper. Lots of journaling space in this journal. Another journaling card. Another painting. Another painting. The daisy by the shadow that it casts protects the lingering dewdrop from the sun. William Wordsworth. Here's another dangle jewelry. And a journaling card. Pretty flowers. Again, this beautiful painting. Just think she's so sweet. Another journaling card. Another painting. Another journaling card. Another Edith Holden. Another journaling card. Pretty painting. It is nice to think how one can be recklessly lost in a daisy. Anne Morrow Lindbergh. And that's the end. And one thing that I did forget to mention is in the first signature, I did put these silver metal flower beads, which I thought were sweet. So that's the journal. Again, it will be listed in my Etsy shop. I will link down below in the comments a link to the listing for the Etsy shop once it's listed. I will be listing it sometime this evening. Thank you.